Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the Copycat Technology single 3-500Z driven by the truckerized Rci-2995dx CF. In a previous video, you've seen that this is a unit's doing about 40 bird and 170 peak. We're going to be driving it into this single 500Z from Penta Labs. Real nice tube. We got a 500 watt slug in average, 2500 watt slug in peak. There's a 200 watt carrier. Hello. Check 1, 2, 3. So we got about 400 bird. Go over to the peak side. Hello. And a good 1800 peak. Without a problem. Look at our voltage drop. Hello. About 3200 volts. This is a great little combo here if somebody's wanting to get out and get their name called. And as always, we're going into the dummy load. We're not on a live antenna. If it's something you're interested in, feel free to give me an email from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.